Hello everybody, today I want to introduce our latest hard-selling model, Zenfone Max. And because this model is so good, so I want to also try to introduce you to you by myself. Okay, so not only by our PM. Okay, so Zenfone Max, okay, as you know, is one of the hardest selling model in Asus. Why? Because one of the very important points about the battery life. Okay, Max. Why we call it Max is because we put the maximum battery into the device. So you see, this is a regular 3000 mAh battery, and this is the battery that we put in our Zenfone Max. So you can compare the size. Okay, it's bigger, so, and also by the number you can know this is 3000. Normally you get in the market is maybe 2000, 2500, 3000. Okay, I hope you don't get the 1400. Okay, and this is a 5000 mAh. So far, it's the only one in the market with a 5000 mAh battery. So what does this mean? So it means if really you want to continue to talk, okay, it will last for 1.5 days, 36 hours. Although this normally you will not do it, but you can continue to talk for 36 hours. And another thing is if you don't charge, you forget to charge, okay, you bring the device with you, the standby time can be still last for one month. Okay, and so this is a very convenient feature for you. So if really your phone run out of battery, so what you can do with Zenfone Max, if you charge for 3 hours, then you can use this device for 2 days. Okay, so this is something that very good for you and for the user, especially smartphone right now, because you play the game, you watch the video, so very often half day your battery gone. So with the Zenfone Max, you don't need to worry about it. But you might say that, okay, with a bigger battery, so maybe the weight might increase, or the size of the device will become very big, very bulky, so then you cannot carry it. But we also want to show you that if you compare to the regular 5.5 inches machine, Zenfone 5 also 5.5 inches, you can see the size is almost the same. So there's no big difference about the size and the weight. So which means for you carry a regular 5.5 inches device, but you can enjoy the maximum battery life. Let's come back to the machine hardware itself. So Zenfone Max comes with a 5.5 inches big screen. 5.5 inches is pretty big because if you want to use this to watch video or you want to use this to check the information you want, it will be more convenient for you. And considering the performance, we put the Qualcomm Snapdragon quad-core 410 processor. So this will give you a very good balance between the performance and the battery life. So to make it easy to use, Asus, in all the series of Asus Zenfone, we put our Zen UI inside. So what does this Zen UI means? There are lots of different features, but here I don't want to talk too many. So I just want to introduce two useful features. One is our tap to wake up. So if you want to wake up your machine, okay, you don't need to use the power key. You can just tap on your screen, then you will automatically sense your gesture and then will turn on the machine. With different gesture, you will go to the different kind of mode. Okay, and the second is in order to do to be closer to the end user. Okay, we also start to design different things. Okay, so this thing is not only generic thing like a Christmas or the beautiful for girls, or it's also considering the India market. So right now, for example, in Holi, we have a special thing for Holi. For Republic Day, we have a special thing for Republic Day. Then this thing is not only to change your wallpaper, it also will change all your icons. So this is something that we also want to put in our Zen UI. So there are lots of different interesting features in Zen UI you can observe, okay, later on by yourself. 5000 mAh is a tremendous feature, but if you only use by yourself, this is too selfish, So we start to think that if you have a very big battery, then what can you do? So now you see that very often when you have a smartphone, you need to bring a power bank with you. Then we start to think, okay, since 5000 mAh is already like a power bank, why don't we treat it as a power bank? Then we discover the way to do it. So in all the Zenfone Max box, we have the OTG cable. With this OTG cable, you are able to use your Zenfone Max, make it become a power bank, and then you can use Zenfone Max 5000 mAh battery to charge the other phone. So this is a very interesting feature. So if your friend run out of the battery life, then you can show off. You can tell them that, okay, this is my Zenfone Max, so I have this cable, so I can help you to charge your phone. So this is something that is also very useful feature we want everybody to understand. So except the battery, let's talk about another thing that the people used it a lot. It's about the camera. Okay, so camera, if we talk about only the spec, this is with a 13 megapixel camera. But you might say that 13 megapixel camera, right now there are lots of 13 megapixel camera in the market. So what's the difference? So I want to tell you two major differences. One, if you look at the Zenfone Max, okay, there are one small dark dot on the back. This is our laser focus. So with the laser focus, we are able to get the object to focus in 0.03 seconds. So this is very fast. So lots of time when you want to shoot the people, okay, it's all the current camera autofocus still takes some time. But with Zenfone Max, you can focus in the shortest speed. And except that, okay, we have more than 20 mode Pixel Master camera. So the Pixel Master camera is something Asus developed by ourselves. So in this 20 mode, you will have lots of different mode. We have the low light mode, we have the HDR mode, we have also the time lapse. Okay, so there are lots of different modes for you to choose. So even when you want to do the selfie, we have a different mode. We have the beautification mode to make your face looks better, or we have the selfie panorama if you want to shoot with lots of people. So these are the camera that we want to help you. So with a good battery life, you can carry the device with you. And with a very good camera, that you are able to come out very good pictures with your family and with your friends. Okay, if really you are convinced and you start to think about buying this device, maybe you want to consider how long I can use this device, because the smartphone technology is changing every day. There are different things coming, and also you might have a different usage. So we want to make sure that also in the Zenfone Max there will be a very good upgrade capability. The first is about the storage. So because right now you shoot lots of pictures and you store lots of music and video in your smartphone. So very soon your internal storage might not be enough. Although we give you 16 GB, but maybe still not enough for you. So we provide you the SD card, so slot that can upgrade your storage up to 64 GB. So this is the first thing. And second is in terms of the software, you might consider, okay, right now this is the Android 5.0, 5.1. But how about if later on Android has a new version of Android 6.0, so the Marshmallow. So we also commit that, okay, we will work on the upgrade of the Android app 6.0. So this will help you to sustain your smartphone's lifetime. Okay, so and then if you want to buy it, you might consider that, okay, if I want to have a different choice, okay, because this is a very dark machine, although we have a very beautiful metal finish frame, okay, so to make your machine look stylish, but you might still want to have more choice. So we give you two options. One is the black and one is the white option. And this white is not only the back cover, so it's the complete white, even the front bezel is the white. So we give you two choices for you to consider. So if you want to have the back cover, then you can also have a more different choice, because with the black you have more choice. You can check the color fitting, and then with the white, then you have even more choice. Okay. After summary all this point, you can see that Zenfone Max has a very good design and a very good battery, very good camera, very good performance, and a very good software. You might consider that what will be the price? So considering all these factors, supposedly we should sell you 50,000 rupees. But we also try to make sure that the price is welcoming by everybody. So right now the price in the market is at 9,999, and it's available in all the Asus mobile partners. So we hope you can consider this device and then buy it, enjoy it, love Zenfone. Thank you.